यार आजकल की डिजिटल दुनिया में फिजिकल बुक्स का क्या सीन है? डू यू स्टिल प्रेफर होल्डिंग अ फिजिकल बुक इन योर हैंड्स और ऑडियो बुक्स ने आपका दिल जीत लिया? और बुक्स तो एक तरफ, लेट्स नॉट फॉरगेट स्पोर्ट्स. व्हाट रोल डज इट प्ले इन आवर लाइफ? हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट हाउ टू बैलेंस योर बॉडी एंड माइंड? Today we're diving into all of this, so let's get started.
I'm not saying कि books is the only thing that you grow, but I think it helps.
They're a huge part of your
Yeah, and it helps. आप aware हो तो आपको पता है कि और क्या possibilities है. आप अगर चीजें if you're not aware of things, you cannot think further, right? तो मुझे थोड़ा सा वो लगता है कि that is something that I would want to bring into the library, and so I think they're also beginning to associate with people and start some new programs for specifically for children to start reading, and then to at least इतना resistance ना हो कि book मत बोलो please. So that did I answer your question? I think I went all around.
Yeah, you have. Yeah. So in this digital age, a lot of us are reading online or listening to books. So how do you encourage people to read physical books?
I think it comes back to where have you begun. अगर आपने पढ़ना चालू किया है, आप पढ़ते हैं फिजिकल बुक्स तो रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है. दे नो कि फिजिकल बुक्स में क्या है. एंड आजकल इफ़ यू सी मोस्ट ऑफ माई डेमोग्राफिक्स में अगर आप देखोगे तो बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं मेरे रीडर्स. बड़ों में इतना ज़्यादा आई डोंट हैव मेंबरशिप्स, पर एंड बच्चों को आप as a parent also, so what would I give them? Would I give them digital versus physical? Of course physical ना, because अभी वही try कर रहे हैं हम कि please digital से थोड़ा दूर रहो. मतलब it is too much, it is just too much of TV, phones, games. आप हर चीज़ इंस्टा पे कर रहे हो, फेसबुक पे कर रहे हो, तो उसको तो वैसे ही कट करना है. So for them I think it is कि it is a easy choice to make. For adults, I think it is those who have not been reading. It is still difficult to get them to think कि नहीं आपको physical book, and why actually should you read? तो आजकल तो book summaries भी आ रही हैं, right? तो एक पेज का जैसे I have heard from people कि non-fiction books भी वो क्या करते हैं? They read the summaries and they think that okay, I have read the book, but it is only a reader would understand कि क्या है वो. मतलब आपने सिर्फ वो पढ़ लिया, but unless and until आपके पास पूरा वो नहीं है, you don't even know कि वो author क्या बताना चाह रहा था. So for adults I think it still is a challenge to get them to think कि आप physical books पढ़ो. But I think for children, which is a majority of this, I think they do read. And also थोड़ा if you see the age group wise भी अगर आप उसको break down करो तो जो थोड़ा grandparents केस में आते हैं, दे ऑल्सो आर नॉट वेरी डिजिटल, तो वो भी खुद से ही प्रेफर करते हैं कि फिजिकल बुक्स पढ़ो, तो दे कम. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज कि जो बीच वाला एज है 25 to 45, आई थिंक दे स्टिल juggle between physical and digital.
Have you tried listening to audiobooks?
Yeah, I would not lie about it. Yes. So जो books मुझे नहीं मिलते हैं, या जो there are some books which are imported and they are like 7,000, 8,000 के books. I try to get them on Audibles. I of course have मतलब वो अलग feel रहता है, अलग experience रहता है. आप सुन रहे हो, but आपको जो I think it is just about also having a book and the experience.
So I tried reading an audiobook. So I got in contact with this author, and he sent me his link to his audiobook for free. And I started listening to it. I have to review it. And it was so hard for me to concentrate on what he's trying to say. मैं इधर उधर जाती थी, कुछ सामने नहीं था देखने के लिए. And it's so hard to hear and imagine उस समय. क्योंकि I'm so used to reading. But like I want to finish that book. It's a really interesting book that he is writing.
Okay. So he's also planning to publish it in physical, or
I'm not sure. I am not in contact with him that much. I just found him.
Yeah.
So I wanted his audiobook, so he lent me.
Yeah. Of course. अपने खुद ही बोला कि imagine. I think it is a different experience. आप उसमें बहुत and it was only once that we were away and we did not carry enough books. मेरे बेटे ने वो 3-4 books फटाफट पढ़ लिए, and the rest of the vacation we were in a place where we couldn't go down and buy books also. तो मैंने उसको एक Audible पे डाउनलोड किया. I think पर्सी जैक्सन का ही किया था, but he was like मैं नहीं करता हूँ, रहने दो. So he did not he did not continue reading. He just listened to it for 10 minutes and he said, nahi karunga main, you give me a book when I'm back. So,
All right. So we have this tradition in our podcast where every guest writes a question for the next guest. So I have a question for you. And it's from Harshad sir. And he's asking your amazing experience of sports.
so I am not a sports person. मैं स्कूल से भी बहुत अच्छा स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेलती थी, बट मेरा बेटा खेलता है तो उसके एक्सपीरियंसेस मैं शेयर कर सकती हूँ. सो आई थिंक इट मतलब इट गिव्स हिम अ डिफरेंट, एक तो उसको बहुत मजा आता है. सो आई थिंक आई कैन से दैट इज समथिंग दैट इज अमेजिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ वो जो भी स्पोर्ट्स खेले इज आउटडोर. तो I think for one, you enjoy company, you enjoy social connect
It
that you
teaches
have.
you a lot.
Yeah, and it teaches you a lot, of course. I think you learn from there to handle failures. You learn from there to handle your fears. कि अच्छा ये मुझे लग तो नहीं जाएगी. ये आपका एक स्टेज वो भी होता है कि मुझे ये तो नहीं होगा, या if I fail and तो फिर मैं कैसे करूँगा, because I think I'm the winner, and if I fail तो मैं कैसे उसको वो करूँगा. And I think it also helps you strategize. ये सब इतना subtly होता है ना, you don't really realize that the game is helping you at this age, but I think it is amazing to also have, मतलब अगर हमारे लिए भी it is that we should actually spend 1 hour at least daily. तो मैं try करती हूँ कि मैं कुछ ना कुछ करूँ, as in I'm not doing sports, but I'm doing some kind of trainings that don't really have like injuries होने के chances. So that way. But yeah, it is something that we must have, and especially today, everything when everyone wants everything digitally, सब कुछ games भी वहीं पे खेलने हैं, so आपका physical वो वैसे भी कुछ नहीं होता. So I think that is something that.
So it's your turn to write a question for the next guest. Thank you so much for joining us on Between the Pages. I had a really great time talking about
I hope you learned something, and I enjoyed it. I really appreciate you doing this at such an age, and you've continued for a pretty much good time that you've been doing, because I think it is consistency also that is something that I would say my child also misses. So I really appreciate whether तुम्हारे age का या थोड़ा somebody who starts something and is continuing to work on it, it is commendable.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I hope you guys liked today's discussion. Until next time, it's me, Anna Lilani, closing the VDB book for this week.